Hi guys, I'm back with day 2 of the Soda Pop 5-day 1 palette challenge. This is that Soda Pop palette from Maybelline. The other day I did kind of a warm orangey look. Today I'm wearing grays and purples, so I'm not going to do the warm, I knocked stuff over, warm orangey look. Instead I'm going to go with kind of a neutral with a little pop of purple just to tie everything together. Today I'm going to use ginger ale in the crease and brow and all that stuff just as a nice transition base. I'm going to take a little bit of cherry cola and apply that on my lid so it's this kind of reddish burgundy color here. I'm going to do a little bit of the soda fizz in the corner and then use root beer on this back end here to deepen that up. So I've already primed my eyes and everything with stuff with concealer and powder and stuff. So ginger ale is just a nice dusting over my lid just to lock everything in, blend down any sticky base, because sometimes foundation and concealer makes a really great base, but it can be a little too tacky where what happens is you get creasing and or patchiness. So I like to apply a powder on the bottom if otherwise they don't already dry down to a powder. Now to take cherry cola using a flat brush of sorts. Ooh, that's a cream. I thought that was okay. Fallout immediately, great. After I've already done my face. Okay, that was not what I was expecting that to be. I was expecting that to be an eyeshadow, not a cream. Okay. We'll make this work. Not what I expected. A little bit of fallout here, but oh well. This definitely feels like, it comes off on the brush like a cream. You see how much pigment's there? That's so weird, but it's not, it doesn't feel like a cream. It's just super pigmented, so be warned. I'm swiping this on now instead of packing it because I noticed that with packing, that's where I got some fallout. Okay, so this is an interesting turnout. It looks more purple in the pan, but then when I apply it, it's definitely more of a red color, which is fine. It's just not what I was expecting. I'm going to take, instead of ginger ale, I'm going to do this light corner on, or this satiny brown here, and plug that into the crease just to blend this down a little bit more. So I can concentrate that reddish brown just, or that burgundy here just on this outer area without it being all over and all out crazy harsh. There, that's so much better. A little bit more blend there. Sometimes I skip doing a transition type of shade because you can use those shades to blend out really strong pigments on the lid, such in this case. You can blend with a naked brush into your transition shade, but I find that it sometimes, especially when you go from a shimmer to a matte, it just doesn't always look as nice, especially if you have hooded eyes. So I like to blend out using a transition shade sometimes. In cases like this, it's a great option. Alright, I'm taking root beer and just adding a little intensity here in this outer corner, just a little. And then applying a little bit under that lash line, bottom lash line. There we go. So my palette just fell on my lap and then skidded off like this onto the floor. My dress is covered in eyeshadow. I'm not happy with myself for that one. I'm like, curses! Okay, we'll make this work. So I'm going to take tonic here and pop that into this inner corner and blend it towards the center of the lid. For some reason this is not translating to the right color on screen. Because I want a little bit more purple to this, I'm going to take this cherry on top and just pop a little bit more here on the burgundy, just to kind of add a little bit more purple and take away some of that red, and blend it into that brown in that outer corner just to
I'm going to desaturate a little bit, but blend it together at the same time.
So for this part, I feel like the biggest dummy because I lost the very last video clip, but essentially I finished blending that red and purple together, and this was basically it for the eyeshadows. I applied mascara and that was it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below and stay tuned for day 3. Bye!